In this video, we'll show you how to change the staples in any Lanier copier that uses Type T standard staples. There are many Lanier, Ricoh, and Savin finishers that use the Type T staples. See below for a list. Staples are available for this machine as a full replacement cartridge or as a set of 2 cartridge refills. In this video, we will first show how to remove and replace the cartridge. We will then demonstrate how to refill a cartridge. To replace a staple cartridge, first open the finisher door and locate the staple carriage in the center of the finisher. Tilt the staple carriage out of the machine with the green tab. Then grab the staple cartridge by the green handle and gently pull it out of the machine. If you have a replacement cartridge, simply insert it where the empty one was removed and close the machine. If you have staple refills, we'll next show you how to remove the empty staple refill from the cartridge and replace it with a full one. Refilling staples in a Type T cartridge is much simpler than in previous models. While holding the staple cartridge with one hand, simply squeeze the clear plastic refill cartridge near the rear and pull. Insert the replacement refill by the front first with the tab and then snap the rear into place. Now just reinsert the cartridge into the machine as previously shown and you are good to go. Feel free to add any questions or suggestions for future videos in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thank you.